guys, it's Piggy Launcher or Piggy Vlogs. Today we're gonna be recording a steam train that's coming through. Check out these.
Here, I'll put this right by the entrance.
Yeah, that's complete randomness over there. So yeah, today we're gonna. I want to reenact this scene from Stand By Me, where the fat kid is just like tumbling over as he runs away from this, like the train as he's coming in. Hardly none of you are gonna know what I'm talking about.
What is that animal?
What is that animal? Is that a wild animal?
Yeah.
It is a wild animal. It's Shakti! Hey, babe, it's so.
Come on, Dad. You ready?
So people can shake you.
Dad?
Shakti!
Yeah, I know I got shatter here. Come on, get
I want to run on the track. Shakti! We don't want her to jump. I'm running on the tracks! Oh! Shakti! No. Shakti, you're not getting hit. Board train. What? Board train. Okay. Get back. It's coming. It's gonna be good.
All right, you ready?
Get ready. Jacob, I want to get on the tracks like when it's right in front of it, but I know I'm not going to.
Oh my God.
I think she
Get back, Gus.
Then what are you doing up there? It's coming. Da da da. Da 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 da. I need more. There it is.
Get back, Gus. Get back.
Yeah, get back. It's coming. It's gonna be huge.
Hold on to her.
Jesus, Sasha!
Right now he's mad because she's really close to the track. This thing's dangerous.
I know it is. Come on. I'm gonna probably edit this part out until the train comes.
Okay, we're filming. Oh, here it is.
Oh, I see the lights. I see the lights. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now I have to censor that out.
Let's go, kids. Go back. We got it, Dad.
Smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it. Like, it was huge. I thought I was about to get hit.
Come on, let's go, Dad.
All right, Jossie, come on.
Ginormous.
That was huge.
You actually got flipped.
So guys, just check out these tracks. These are big.
Holy, that thing is fat.
That was
I really
huge.
did a good shot of it.
That was
And I
huge.
was actually, the camera actually was flipped. We have it on
I
footage.
kind of wish I put my phone like right here and it went.
We got it. We have to put it together. Let's go.
All right, come on, let's go.
So anyways, guys, as you saw that was awesome.
That was huge, and I'm so mad I didn't get the better shot.
But we got
in
it
person.
We got it through here. We got this.
We got a camera on.
Better. Here, let's go.
We're on an adventure to go. Why are you wearing flip-flops?